lovely Miss Noodles on patrol, checking everything out. Yeah, wild cucumbers.
That's the first time I've seen them here. That's cool. I know where to find them. Well, I gotta collect these seeds from them.
You sure it's wild cucumbers?
Yep.
Look at that. Just never know what you're gonna find when you come out here. Every day it's something new. Hello, Miss Noodle. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm glad to find that because I've been even looking online for seeds for them.
Yep, there you go.
Yeah, it's not like you can tell anything.
Mine's easier than yours. It just has one button. Dueling cameras.
You know what I used to think was always fascinating here?
Yeah, it dries really fast. So they come and they water the place down and what? I just wanted to get some of the raindrops on the river in Miss Noodles.
I'm not going to speak for the record.
Well, you're not going to speak for the record today?
I get too much trouble.
You didn't get any trouble. People enjoyed that.
I didn't mean to kill him.
Yes, you did.
I didn't know that decapitation was fatal.
Well, to flies, it always is. Help me! Help me! Noodles has discovered rocks. Oh well, we'll go try a bigger one. Oh, no, maybe that one. A morning cloak.
Can I stomp it?
No. To be mean.
Butterflies like to die.
Oh, stop.
That's
Such
what they're
a
made
mean
for.
person. Interesting.
You know what they say?